Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I would like to say thank you for viewing my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you all so very much. Love you all. And today I am going to make for you grape, blueberries, banana, ginger, apples, lemon, and I'm going to combine all these ingredients together and make you a lovely healthy juice. And I'm about to start. I'm just washing my grapes. Finish wash my grape and I'm putting it straight into my blender. I'm washing my blueberries. Oops. Straight into my blender. And I'm just washing my grape now. Ginger. And I'm just washing my apples. I'm just cutting up my apples in small pieces. And I'm using one red apple and I'm using one green apple. I'm going to put this straight into my blender. And I'm using one whole ripe banana. I'm just simply removing the skin from my banana. And I'm just cutting up my banana in small pieces. Putting my banana to my blender. Oh, that is looking good. And I'm just going to give my lemon a rinse. And I'm squeezing half of lemon straight into my blender. Oh. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to my fruits. This honey is just to give it a bit of finishing touch. And honey is very good for us. I love honey. And I'm just gonna add enough water to cover my fruits. Please do not add too much water to kill the flavor of the juice. Just enough water to cover the fruits. And as you can see, that water is quite okay. I'm just switching on my blender from the main, and I'm gonna turn my blender off. Start blending. That's quite okay, and it's all finished blend and ready for straining. Just simple it. Just put another. Wow. This is looking really good. Really, really good, and it's coming out nicely. It's all looking really thick and healthy. This is what we want. We do not want runny juice. We want natural, healthy juice. I put all my time and effort into making these juice, and I really, really enjoy making them. I'm just straining my juice one more time to make sure all the bits are out, so that when you're drinking this juice you can really enjoy it. Wow. Yeah. I'm just gonna give it a stir to combine all my ingredients together. Oh, that is looking really, really good. Really good. So I finished my juice and I am going to pour some over ice, and then I'll tell you guys what I think of my juice. Wow. I've now poured some over ice. You can pour it over ice. You can also leave it in your fridge to chill, whichever way you prefer. I am just going to have a taste and then of my juice, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about my natural healthy juice. Oh, wow. Ooh. Lovely. Wow. Absolutely lovely. If you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your juice. Have a wonderful weekend. Love you all. I'm out. Bye.